welcome back to my channel. We already have a little beat down because today we're focusing on eyes. I recently picked up some of the NYX Vivid Brights and it gave me the idea to do like a really cool floral moment. I've had a lot of inspiration across social media of just these beautiful flowery looks, and they're very like detailed and tiny. So I kind of want to try it. I don't know exactly how this is gonna go. This could be a real total flop, but we're gonna hope for the best. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and the first thing that I want to do is get a really pretty green shade on the lid. This is from the Morphe X James palette. Now I'm just going to kind of blend that out with a very light green. I'm also going to go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line with that bright green. Now I'm going to attempt to make some like vines with this on my eye. Now we're going to go in and try to make flowers. I'm just going to kind of keep adding details as we go along. And now we're going to add some yellow ones. Now, while that's drying, I'm going to do my lower lashes with the mascara in the shade Yellow Goodbye from ColourPop. And I don't know why you can't really see it on camera, but it looks really good in pictures, I promise. Now I'm going to take this NYX paint pot in the shade White, and I'm going to attempt to make like little petal strokes inside of each flower. Now I'm going to take a little green shimmer shade and just kind of pop that on the center. Now I'm going to go recreate this on the other side and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. That took a little while, but I think this is super cute. Now, I kind of wanted to do something on the lips, but I don't know what to do. So, I don't have a green lipstick, but I do have this Stila eyeshadow, and we're just gonna see if that works. Okay, that actually worked. Now, I don't think I'm actually gonna put on lashes. I really thought I was going to want to, but we're gonna go ahead and just do some more yellow mascara. And this is the completed look. I actually love how this turned out with the little green lip and the flowers. I will be sure to post pictures, and that way you'll be able to see it a little bit more. But this was so fun. You know, it's something a little bit crazy, but I've really wanted to try it for a while now, and I finally had the right things to do it. So I love how this turned out. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave me a little thumbs up and a like or something, and I will see you on the next one.